912 North Sycamore. Walking into the apartment, immediately to your right you have the dining room. Has a large window unit. Walking from the dining room into the kitchen. There's an electric stove, ceiling fan. Into the laundry room with the washer dryer hookups. And an exit to the back balcony. Large balcony. Going back through the kitchen, there's a large pantry. Leaving the kitchen, walking into the second and third bedrooms. Second bedroom, it has a Dearborn heater, large closet, and a window unit. Walking through the second bedroom into the third bedroom. It's hardwood floors, it has a ceiling fan, lots of windows. Walking back through the second bedroom into the hallway. Bathroom. Has a large storage pantry, laundry closet, and a tub and shower. And there's also a large storage closet hallway. The front bedroom also has a window unit and ceiling fans. And it also has a large closet and gas wall furnace. About down the hall toward the exit, we have the living room. A ceiling fan, air conditioner, and there's also another small office area or storage area that overlooks the front street, North Sycamore. 3-bedroom, 1 bath, 4 window units, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Has its own separate entrance, wide stairs.